Hello students, today we are going to study Introduction of Linear Measurement. Now what do you mean by linear measurement? The measurement along a straight line or curved line is defined as linear measurement. Now if we want to measure the distance between 2 points along the surface of the earth in straight manner, or if we consider the curvature of the earth, then we will measure the distance between 2 points in a curved manner. Now the measurement of this straight line is known as linear measurement, as well as the measurement of this curved length is also known as linear measurement. Now the method of linear measurement can be divided into following types. The first one is direct method, next one is optical method, and the last one is electromagnetic method. Now we will see one by one each and every method in detail, starting with the direct method. Now in direct method, distances are directly measured on ground with chain or tape or any other instrument. Now if we want to measure the distance between 2 points along the surface of the earth, and if we will use tape or chain for the measurement of the distance between 2 points on the surface of the earth, then that method is known as direct method. So in this diagram a tape is shown and here a chain is shown, which is used for the measurement of distance between 2 points along the surface of the earth. Now we will see the next method, that is optical method. Now in optical method, measurements are taken from a telescopic device and calculations are done for the distances such as tachymetry or triangulation. Now in optical method, we will use various instruments like total station, theodolite, etc. for the measurements, and we can compute the distances from the principle of tachymetry or triangulation. Here a theodolite is shown and the measurement is taken along this particular reflector. Now in place of theodolite you can also use total station, and we will compute the measurement along this particular reflector. Now with the principle of tachymetry or triangulation, we can determine this horizontal distance between the instrument and the reflector. Now in this way we can measure the linear distance between 2 points by optical method. Now the next method is electromagnetic method. Now in electromagnetic method, distances are measured with instruments that rely on propagation, reflection and subsequent reception of either radio waves, light waves or infrared waves. Now in this method, an instrument which is known as electronic distance meter is used, which can generate a particular wave which is propagated by this medium, reflected from this reflector, and its subsequent reception will compute the horizontal distance between 2 points or the linear distance between 2 points. Now in this way we can measure the linear distance between 2 points by the electromagnetic method. That is all about the introduction of linear measurement. Thank you very much, students.